In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up sales tax in Square. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom left here where it says settings. You want to click on it, then you want to go to account and settings, and in here you want to go to payments. Inside payments, it says sales taxes, and you want to click on that, and it's going to open up sales taxes on your screen. Then from here, you want to go and click on set up your taxes, and in here, of course, you can go and set up your sales tax. Now, of course, I am not an accountant or, of course, a tax person, so I'm just showing you how to click buttons on screen over here, but this is where you can set this up. If you need any help, then I would recommend you actually talk to a professional or maybe like an accountant or something similar, where you can go ahead and of course get the info you need. So in my case, I'm just going to type in, for example, sales tax like this, and then of course you can type in the tax rate. For example, I'm going to do 22%, and then locations, it's going to be my business. Of course, in your case, you want to put whatever is relevant, and then of course here you can set your tax applications, your tax amounts, and then of course here you have the tax calculation methods, exemptions, etc. Okay, so that's how to do this. Then click on the save button top right, and that's how to set up your sales tax in Square. So again, if you want to basically do this, and if you don't know how, you can ask an accountant or a financial person who actually specializes in those things, but that's how to find it and basically set it up. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.